What is 14-day rapid soup diet? It seems the older you get, the more weight you gain and the harder it is to get off, and it could be because researchers found that approximately 80% of women over the age of 50 have a congested lymphatic system that overloads fat around the belly, hips and thighs, according to studies. The good news is that you can easily clear out your system to melt away the most amount of fat possible, without having to exercise, count calories or eat a flavorless diet. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet is an online program that provides you with an abundance of fat-burning recipes that are infused with ingredients that naturally clear out your system, so it can get back to functioning properly and burning fat while also reprogramming your body to burn fat for energy instead of sugar and carbs. But don't be mistaken, you aren't just eating soups. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet provides you with delicious, healthy recipes for breakfast and lunch that include things such as avocado burgers, keto French toast, omelets, and waffles. Then, the soup recipes come in during the dinner portion. This is all laid out for you in a 7-day meal plan that can be repeated twice, so you don't have to worry about figuring out what to eat. All of the meals are delicious and designed to reprogram your body to fun on fat instead of sugar and carbs. It also comes with some quick and easy guidelines to follow to maximize your results. Who is the 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet program for? The program is for all men, women, ages, and weights. However, you should not have any health conditions before participating. This is because of some associated health issues it could bring, as we talked about before. The program is also for people who like using natural programs which involve mostly diet and so on. The program is also one of the most unique ones and very new, so some strategies here may be very not work for all types of bodies. How does it work? 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet is the one unique proven slimming soup detox that works for anyone at any age and weight. This entire system was explicitly made in melting off the fat without the need for any long workouts and trying out dozens of complicated recipes. It shows you correctly eating the right combinations of minerals, healthy fats, and proteins at the correct times throughout the day. Burn your fat for energy. The belly slimming movements offer you the great results where you can get two-step detox without any restrictions. It makes you eat whatever you want while flushing out the fat with the miracle instant energy recipe. The magic in this soup keeps your insulin low where your body naturally turns your stored fat for energy. It helps you by burning the extra fat around your belly, hips, and thighs for fuel for the entire day. This super simple soup ritual method eliminates the rebound weight gain and increases the fat-burning metabolism after 50. The right combination of solid foods that kills hunger and make belly fat melt faster. This detox system is a complex network of capillaries and vessels that flush out your body fat effectively. What you'll learn in 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet is a straightforward program that provides you with all the recipes you need to start cleansing out your system and reprogramming your body to burn fat for fuel instead of sugar and carbs. It's an easy program designed to help you reboot your system and burn the most amount of fat possible without any exercise, quickly. You can start burning fat in as little as 24 hours and can lose up to 1 pound a day. The majority of the program is dedicated to providing you with delicious soup recipes. However, there are some additional sections that provide you with extra information and guidelines to help you capitalize on this detox regime that can help you lose up to 14 pounds in 14 days. As for the recipes, they all come with simple step-by-step directions and measurements, an appetizing photo that will get your mouth watering, and nutritional information. Verdict. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet is an easy program that provides you with quick results. It provides you with all the recipes you need to complete the regime, all of which are incredibly tasty and easy to put together. You can eat as much as you want as well, so you're never left feeling hungry or deprived, and the regime can work for anyone at any age, at any weight, even if you're too busy or don't have time or energy to prepare big meals or workout. This regime has all the recipes you need to clear out your system to reprogram your body so you can burn the most amount of fat quickly and without any exercise. And if that sounds too good to be true, you can try it out risk-free for 2 months with the 60-day money-back guarantee. And since the program is for 14 days, this is ample time to see how this proven slimming detox regime works for you.